Good morning, dear students. Hope you all are well. Yesterday we have discussed Chapter 2, Human Migration, Exercise A, B, and C. Fill in the blanks, matching, and MCQs. Today I am going to discuss question answer of this lesson, which is given on page number 15. Answer briefly. Question number 1. What do you mean by the term migration? What do you mean by the term migration? The answer is migration is the regular movement of people from one place to another. Migration is the regular movement of people from one place to another. Question number 2. What is shifting agriculture? What is shifting agriculture? The answer is growing crops on a new piece of land once the fertility of soil gets exhausted is shifting agriculture. Growing crops on a new piece of land once the fertility of soil get exhausted is shifting agriculture. Question number 3. Name the two types of forced migration. Name the two types of forced migration. Answer is two types of forced migration are: number 1, drought; number 2, flood. Two types of forced migration are drought and flood. Question number 4. Name the river which faced floods in Kashmir in the year 2014. Name the river which faced flood in Kashmir in the year 2014? That we all know. The answer is River Jhelum. River Jhelum caused floods in Kashmir in the year 2014. River Jhelum caused flood in Kashmir in the year 2014. Question number 5th. Question number 5. Name 2 things that changed the orthodox thinking of people. Name 2 things that changed the orthodox thinkings of people. The answer is number 1, education, logical thinking, and contact with other country. Education, logical thinking, and contact with other countries. Number 2, British influence. British influence. Now I am going to discuss detailed question answer. Exercise E. Answer the following question. Briefly highlight the 3 types of migration. Briefly highlight the 3 types of migration. The answer is 3 types of migration are: number 1, volunteer migration; number 2, forced migration; number 3, animal migration. Volunteer migration. Volunteer migration is when people move to another place on their own wish, choice. Volunteer migration is when people move to another place on their own wish and choice. Forced migration. Forced migration is the movement of a person, family, or large group of people due to a natural and man-made disasters. Forced migration is the movement of a person or family or large group of people due to a natural and man-made disaster. Animal migration. Animal migration with change season, they migrate to find warmer weather, better food supply, or safe place to give birth to their youngs. Animal migration with change season, they migrate to find warmer weather, better food supply, or safe place to give birth to their youngs. So dear student, that's all for the day. Tomorrow we will discuss another question of this chapter. Thank you and have a nice day.